Hey, this is Katie from Inspired Video Marketing. We are in Canva, which I'm going to show you is going to become your new marketing best friend if it isn't already. But this isn't quite a tutorial. We're not doing anything specific. This is just as an overview of the functions and a sample of the possibilities. Yes, there is a free version. I subscribe to the $13 a month pro version. If you design one good thing, it's worth it. A graphic designer is going to charge you a heck of a lot more than that for just one design. As you can see, there's already so many different things that you can do. You can design a presentation, social media post, video, products that you print, other marketing materials, stuff for the office, certificates, brochures, posters, resumes, flyer, blah, 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 blah. It's ridiculous just how versatile this is. I barely use Photoshop anymore. Everything that I need to do, I can basically do in Canva, and it's just easy to use. Canva does have some tutorials that you can kind of go through. All right, this is my home screen. I've already got different projects, different folders. What's really neat is that you can create your own brand kit and upload various logos, colors, the types of font, and then this auto populates. So when you do a design and you want to type in a title or something, it gives you what you've already shown as your fonts, and same with the colors. Here, I've been doing a whole bunch of Instagram things. It gives you templates that you can mock up. Now, see, anything that has this little king crown means you have to pay for it, or you have to be a subscriber to use it. So here we go. I could click this and then edit it. Look, I could apply the colors to the page. I could detach the image. I'm telling you guys, there is just way too much for me to go into in a simple video, but it's the real deal. Look at that. Here, I get to start off with a really pretty already designed template, and then I get to adjust and I get to customize it for me. Okay, here I have a folder of all of my elements, and it's everything that I've uploaded that are things that I use, like evergreen materials. Now, this doesn't look pretty, but you can see how I can go through things that I've already uploaded and add them, move them around in my image. Put this right in here. Edit image, background remover. This is going to come in very much handy when we do our tutorial on making a video thumbnail. Filters, I can change the look of this. More weird things that I can do with it. Look at this. Easy peasy, you throw your website on here and then lick it. I have created a folder of photos of me, so if I want to use me in some of those empty frames, let's add this background, copy, paste. We have a nice just light pink, and we're gonna throw in, here's a big desktop, here's an iPhone, and let's do a laptop as well. And now I can pull up photos of me and make them the screen. Bam, it does it automatically. How easy, how beautiful is that? Elements I like, I've already saved. Some of these are pro. I didn't need to design this. Canva already has it, and I get to use it. Oh, you know what? Maybe I want this as my background. Yeah, we'll do some stars. Oh, you know what? I don't know that I really like the color of these stars. Let me just go up here and change the color. Oh, look, it's my brand kit. Photo colors. I can match what's in this photo. But here, look, brand kit. I can automatically add a heading and subheading. Let's see. Let me animate the text. Oh, that's cool. All right, good enough. Yeah, I like that. Bam! I just made a video. No, what do I want? Effects. Effects. Come over into the effects menu. This is what I want. I could resize and with what I'm working on, switch it to something else. Mind-blowing. T-shirt. Let's go into, let's see, I was exploring. Oh, I was in this more. Bitmoji. I connected my Snapchat so I can have my Bitmoji. That's crazy. Zoom virtual background. What? This is so random. Circle sticker. Ha! Oh my gosh. Made with a bam. Now I can print these through Sticker Mule or something and put these on things that I'm shipping out. What? Even if I didn't want to touch any of this, to be able to use their designs for buying local. Look, ding, done. Again, this wasn't a tutorial. This was a brief dive into Canva and all of the things that it can do. Hopefully you're not too overwhelmed. If you are, I do apologize. But if there's anything to take away, sign up for a Canva. And then meet me next week when we use it to design ourselves a video thumbnail. That'll get you right into the thick of it, using it for something useful. And as you're using it for something useful, you can learn the ropes. All right. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.